recording. We're on, baby.
I like the loading screen for Clash.
It's fucking gorgeous.
It feels competitive.
Alright, let's go, fellas. We're invading now.
Even the top in game, Rover fell up.
I know, it looks real pro. Alright, let's go.
Oh. We got a fucking fantastic invade.
I'm taking my W.
Maffas, you go
probably.
first or me?
You, yeah.
If you land your snare, I land my Q, guaranteed.
Welcome to Summoner's Rift.
We'll go at 50.
Yep. You're gonna be a madman to invade you in Clash.
We've always got to invade, bro.
You got no chonks there.
What up, bitches?
No, that's alright. You probably won't have tunes there.
Tell me when.
Wait.
Whatever you want, brother. Yeah.
They have a shit invade. They have no CC apart from Siege.
Oh, wait here.
Pantheon?
Go.
Go. Go.
No, this way. Okay.
No one? There's no one there? Oh, they're there? Alright, should we try to take this?
If you want.
Let's try to take this.
Alright.
I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do Grump, and I'm gonna come bot.
Oh, you take wolves. Oh.
Flash.
We got flash.
That's good.
That's
Just
really
take us.
good.
Take us.
Flash or pan.
Maffas, go.
Oh my god.
Mortgage, you got a smart, yeah?
Like this kind of
Yeah, I'll go smart this. Go for
Let's
it
like
after.
actually, yeah. Let's like not be bitches, you know. Let's
Yeah,
fuck it,
yeah.
Cal. Let's
After this,
try
I'm
and
going-
fight these boys. Fuck this lane. This is boring as fuck. I mean, let's kill these shitheads.
If you wait 10 seconds.
Wait for Morg, and then
Yeah,
I'll
I'm
flash
following
you
you.
the snare or whatever.
What's it called? Oriana will be going bot. Towards bot, I think. Or
So
going to drag.
come bot Maffas.
Pushing.
Can I make something happen now? I'm gonna try.
If she
And
doesn't
she
get
can W it.
like,
You just get Pantheon. Yeah.
Nice.
Hey.
Huge. Get out of there, Kay, if you can.
No,
Huge
no,
stuff.
no.
Oh.
Bro, the fucking map.
I'm going this way, Wash.
Can you... okay. You go to Morgs. I'm gonna miss CS if I... Can you get him? Nice.
Yes.
Nice. Very nice.
Huge. Drag. Huge. Oh, they're here? Alright, I'm gonna need help here, Kay. I don't have upgrades smart.
Oriana's rotating. Maybe just Sarah.
He doesn't have upgrades, smart anyway.
Nice.
I'm gonna die for it, but that's fine.
I need to go B.
Yeah, it's fine. Leave me.
Yeah.
Oh, no, he didn't kill me.
Is he gonna? I'm coming.
Mia?
Oh, did she just use a window?
Oriana's
I'm just gonna B.
Oriana's
He's
B.
low though, you can just come.
Yeah.
Oriana's B.
We can turn Cal?
He probably has vision there. No, he doesn't.
That's good. We got... What did we get there, Cal? Graves' bot.
We got everything.
Oh no way! I hit that.
It's our Rags Riches store.
I'm kind of scared that...
I got him
I
chunky.
know, Boots. I know.
I killed him, brother. I got him for you.
Graves' bot still?
Maybe.
I'll hold this wave for you.
I don't know why Boots and Lucidity like aren't popular with the WoW.
Lucidity. They're cool down.
Oh!
Lucid.
Graves' one shot. He's not going to be on map for a bit. They're pretty low, bro.
Yeah, they're very low.
We can do something
probably
here.
good at
Just
it.
I'm there
Leon.
in like 10 seconds.
Singes,
I'm
yeah.
there in like 10 seconds. I'm not gonna get there in time, I think. I don't have smart there.
Try and alter.
I don't have smart. I can't go there.
That was just his timing.
I got arrow though.
Whoops.
Oh.
Sorry, Cal. Thought we could do something there.
Nice.
Hoping one hit.
One hit KR.
That's all it needs. It's coming up all.
Well, at least got the tower from it. Singe is annoying, so he's everywhere.
There we go.
Yeah,
Yeah.
annoying, bro.
It was only one KR. That's all it needed.
Yeah, it's still
He's
got
0
it.
and 4
Still got it.
and he's fucking completely fucked.
No, yeah, no, you're doing right. You're doing well. We're all doing well. Just watch Singe from behind.
I got him.
Trying to just
I got him.
Who's this the guy that's fucking flat?
Throw the sub.
Got a passive, just came alive.
He's just pushing.
Alright.
Huge, fellas, that's massive. Try to take his tower down if you can. I'm gonna jump on it.
Oh, that's there. Oh, I pushed her in.
Oh.
Oh, unlucky.
Whoops.
Watch out, fellas, watch out.
Oh no!
Oh,
Hey, we're fuckwits. I gave my massive
that was
shutdown
good,
to
that was
Oriana.
that was good, that was good.
Oh shit, boy. Singe just got the best pick.
Okay.
Oh, he's doing damage.
I was looking for
One Oriana?
KR, you weren't fucking watching.
One Oriana?
Oh.
TP.
papachonkz was like, oh shit, no.
KO.
So I went.
Pantheon walked right into you. 3 people walked within melee range of you.
I was
Oh my god.
Cover.
I got him.
Massive. You go Baron?
Got
You
him.
go Baron? Let's go Baron.
Yeah, it's down.
we'll get bot tower.
Super Minion's doing bits though. Oh.
Oh, so he stunned him.
I got this jungler. Samira. I'm going Samira. Got it.
Yep, nice.
Stopping him.
Nice.
Huge. Can we just win the game?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a win.
That's massive, that's huge, fellas.
Ah, there we go.
I was gonna say weasels.
Enjoy the early night, weasels.
Yeah, played the same amount of games as us.
Oh, that was massive, that was a good game.
They
That
played
was
it.
clinical.
That was good, boys.
Okay.
There you go.
Oh,
Wait,
he
if we
moved.
just do shit by 5.
What do you mean by 5? With 5? Wait, what?
We
Hello.
win every game.
Oh god, I just lagged out. I was like, why is no one
Yeah, that was
talking?
nice. That was nice, Maffas. We did some nice bits mid there.
Yeah, good shit. We just,
Seriously.
like, let's actually just force shit, you know? Like,
Yeah,